All right, let's take a look at a couple different collections of angles here. The first one we're going to look at is what's called complementary angles. Now, it'd be really nice if these were angles that gave you compliments. It'd be pretty cool. But we have people for that, so that's a good thing. Complementary angles, okay, are angles that combine for a 90-degree angle. So in this case here, angle G. Let's go the right direction here. We'll make sure to get that right there. Okay, so angle GFE, which is this right here, is a right angle. Okay, so if we call that a right angle, then that means that our other two, okay, so if we want to call these, we can give exact names to it. We can call it theta 1 and theta 2, or we can come up with other letters for that as well, and sometimes we do that. But these two will have to add up to 90 degrees. So we could say that theta 1 plus theta 2 equals 90 degrees. So if we know what one of them is, we can find the other one. That's if they're complementary. These two angles are going to make a perpendicular line. Okay, it's a right angle. We've done that in the past. And we can use this little symbol right here. Okay, it's kind of an upside down T. It represents perpendicular. So if two lines are perpendicular and have a 90 degrees, or these two lines are here, we know that they are perpendicular. We can use that little symbol for it as well. Now, on the other side, okay, if we have a straight line that is formed, okay, by 3 points like this here, R, Q, and P, this is a total of 180 degrees. Okay, so that's 180 degrees. And if we have more than one angle that makes up 180 degrees, so let's say that we put a couple in here. I'm going to put a couple actually just to, okay, so let's add the point PQR, let's call this T, and let's call this one U. Okay, so now we have three angles, okay, in this case here. So we're going to have, let's get a different color here. We're going to have angle, I'm going to give these different letters here. I'm going to call this one again theta. I'm going to call this one, okay, alpha. Looks a little bit like a fish, but it's supposed to be kind of like an A. And this one, I'm going to call beta. These are all Greek letters here. So there's three different angles, theta, alpha, and beta. So these three angles would have to add up to 190 degrees or 180 degrees. So theta plus alpha plus beta equals to 180 degrees. Because the line RQP, okay, is a straight line. It's 180 degrees. It's a straight line. These three angles are called supplementary angles, okay, because they add up to 180 degrees. Now again, you could just have two as well. You could have 100 angles in there. They'd all be pretty small probably, or a bunch of them would be small and one might be big. But those angles together are supplementary angles.